Our next term is endorsement of a bill. Endorsement of a bill. Endorsement of a bill means when the holder of a bill transfers the bill to the third party. The bill is said to have been endorsed or negotiated. And the person who endorses the bill is called endorser, and the person to whom bill is endorsed is called endorsee. ए को बी से पैसे लेने हैं और सी को पैसे देने हैं. बी जो बिल देगा ए को, ए उस बिल को उठा के किसको एंडोर्स कर देगा, सी को. एट लास्ट बी किसको पेमेंट करेगा, ए को नहीं, सी को पेमेंट करेगा. दैट इज नोन एज एंडोर्समेंट ऑफ ए बिल. Suppose our question is A drew a bill of rupees 1000 on B for 3 months. A ने B के ऊपर बिल ड्रॉ किया 1000 का 3 मंथ के लिए, which was duly accepted and returned by B. B ने अपनी acceptance भी दे दी है. After that, A endorsed the bill to C. On due date, bill was honored. A ने बिल किसको दे दिया, C को दे दिया. ड्यू डेट पे पेमेंट हो गई. पास नेसेसरी जर्नल एंट्री in the books of A, B and C, in the books of all the parties. Here are 3 parties: drawer, drawee and payee. Payee is the person who finally get the payment. Okay? So our entry will be, our first entry in the books of A will be bill receivable to B being acceptance received, and in the books of B, A to bills payable being acceptance given. The person who draws the bill is known as drawer, and the person upon whom bill is drawn is known as drawee. Okay? This transaction is took place between A and B. तो C की बुक में कोई एंट्री पास नहीं होगी. Now C and A endorse the bill to C. So our second entry will be C's account debited to bill receivable, no entry. What comes in? Bill receivable comes in. Who is the giver? A is the giver. Journal entry in the books of A, C to BR, and in the books of C, BR to A. A is endorsing the bill to C. Now, A is also known as endorser, and to whom bill is endorsed, C is also known as endorsee. On due date, bill was honored. On due date, B make the payment. To whom? To C. Who is the holder of the bill? Who is the bearer of the bill? C is the bearer of the bill. Bills payable to cash or to bank. Being payment made for acceptance. And payment is received by C, so cash account debited to bills receivable. Bills payable to cash, cash to bills receivable, being bill honored. This question is related to the endorsement of a bill. Our next heading is sending the bill to bank for collection before maturity. मैच्योरिटी के पहले ही आपने अपने बिल को, दैट इज बिल रिसीवेबल को, ड्रॉअर ने बैंक में कलेक्शन के लिए सेंड कर दिया है। बैंक कलेक्शन करके आपके अकाउंट में डिपॉजिट कर देगा। इन दैट पर्टिकुलर कंडीशंस आवर जर्नल एंट्री विल बी, suppose our question is A draws a bill of rupees 1000 on B payable after 2 months. The tenure of a bill is 2 months and the amount is 1000. Immediately A sent the bill to bank for collection and on due date bill was honored. Bank get the payment and credited into the A's account. Pass journal entry in the books of A and B. ए को बिल मिला, ए ने बिल बैंक में कलेक्शन के लिए सेंड कर दिया, ड्यू डेट पे बी ने पेमेंट कर दी, बैंक ने रिसीव करके ए के अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर कर दिया। नाउ एंट्रीज, आवर फर्स्ट एंट्री विल बी बीइंग फॉर एक्सेप्टेंस रिसीव bill receivable to B's account and in the books of B, A's account debited to bills payable. Being acceptance received, being acceptance given. After that, immediately A sent the bill to bank for collection. For that, our entry will be bill sent for collection, account debited to BR 1000. No entry will pass in the books of A. At last, B make the payment. So bank to bill sent for collection and in the books of B, bills payable account debited to bank. Simply on due date, on maturity, B will make the payment. When A sent the bill to bank for collection, हम बैंक अकाउंट डेबिटेड नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि अभी कलेक्शन नहीं हुआ, तो हमारी एंट्री होगी बिल सेंट फॉर कलेक्शन अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू बिल रिसीवेबल 1000। बी की बुक्स में कोई भी एंट्री पास नहीं होगी। एंड ऑन ड्यू डेट व्हेन बी मेड द पेमेंट, ए रिसीव, तो बैंक टू बिल सेंट फॉर कलेक्शन, क्योंकि बी आर ऑलरेडी क्या हो चुका है, कैंसिल। तो किसके अगेंस्ट में पेमेंट रिसीव करेंगे, बिल सेंट फॉर कलेक्शन अकाउंट में, और इसकी बुक में सिंपल होगा बिल्स पेबल टू बैंक। Isn't it? Practice more numericals from your textbook. Thank you and Jai Gurudev.